guys, girls, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Working on the galley. That's what I've been doing. So finished in there for now, I should say, for now. There's your bed folding up, which slides back to about there somewhere. No, to here. Because it'll be resting on the bench, and you can pop one of them down there for a lounge. So, but mainly I've been working on this, the fridge or esky slide, my Ugg boots, some ungodly hour in the morning. Battery I've got ready to go. It's not hooked up to anything yet. It's just sitting there, looking good. There's your water container. The bench is over on the bench getting done. So the bench goes on here. There's going to be a door, small door, just that width, and under there will be a stove. So you open the door up, small door, and stove. So you can do cooking out here, and you have your bench top for whatever, so a few cupboards, maybe a spot for a microwave, possibly even a microwave. All your electricals will be down here, solar and all that, and fuse boxes, and there'll be another fuse box up the front as well. So I'm going to run the wire up to the front, and lights, the hatch fan, there's a couple of outside lights, plus these two little inside lights. So I'm just going to run them down to all the little fuse box under the bed here, and run the power back to here. And then I'll have another fuse box here with more power for more lights and whatever else you require. There's a 100 amp hour battery in there, AGM battery, brand spanking new, 33 kilos worth. Ooh, it's heavy. I acquired that off a lovely gentleman. Thanks, mate. We won't say any names. But yeah, did me a really big favour. Saved me a lot of money. Thanks, mate. So that's what I've been doing. And through the lockdown, waiting for stuff to show up and stuff. The bench top, it's a bit hard to see in this light, but it looks pretty good. You see the grain, it's golden teak. So, got it be sanded and everything yet. It's had one coat of polyurethane. Jeez, it looks yellow through the camera. It's been stained and polyurethane, rubbed and sanded. Just trying to fill the grain up a bit. A little trick you do. So I've got to wait for that to dry. Give it another sand, clean it right up. Some fine sandpaper, and keep rubbing the polyurethane into it. It's only going to be a satin finish, not a high glossy thing. So it's bench top, so it's just going to be a smooth satin. Should look pretty good. Look at it yellow. It looks better off camera. Anyone want an esky? It's the big one we got. But there's a stove in there. It's a bit hard to see. It's a 2-burner stove with a grill. A tap. Might use a battery one yet. No, a powered one, I should say, a 12-volt one. That's just a pump one. One of those ones. The power ones are a bit noisy, but yeah, they're good. So yeah, it's your seating arrangements and all your storage under there. But yeah, I haven't really done too much. Yeah, I've been waiting so I could get the measurements right, and the other esky, because the other one was too big, too high, too wide. Took up nearly the whole space in the back here. So, but anyway, you'll have your bench top on there. Yep. So all you need to do to get your water out is just do that sort of thing, whatever. Take your whiskey out if you want. So that'll sit snugly in there. So that's about it. Anyway, I'll let you go. I thought I just want to make a sort of a bit of a quick update because I haven't put anything up for a few weeks. So I'll see you all next time. Until then, keep smiling.